Hello students. First 5 exercises of Lection 4 Arbeitsbuch we have already finished in the earlier video. Now in this video we are going to continue with the exercises from exercise number 6. So let's start. Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 40. Aufgabe 6. Welche Ratschläge passen zu welchem Foto? There are 3 photos here, A, B, C. You have to look at the photos, and first thing what you will do, you will first fill up Zoltan conjugation in the blanks, and then you will match which photo is applicable for which suggestion. First I will tell you the meanings of difficult words, then we will do the exercise. First one, which is matching with B. Ihr solltet jeden Tag 8 neue Vokabeln lernen. You should learn every day 8 new vocabulary, means new words. 2. Ich glaube, du blank vielleicht lieber das gelbe T-Shirt anziehen. I think you blank wear. Anziehen is to dress up or wear the yellow T-shirt. Lieber is more likely. That would be better if you wear that. Then 3. Frau Wegner, Sie blank unbedingt weniger Kaffee trinken. Unbedingt means at any cost. You dash drink less coffee or lesser coffee at any cost. Nummer 4. Meinst du nicht, du blank lieber einen Rock probieren? Meinst du nicht means don't you think you blank try a skirt? Probieren is to try. Nummer 5. Ihr blank Lerngruppen machen. Lerngruppen is learning groups. You should make learning groups. Dann macht das Lernen mehr Spaß. Then the learning makes fun. Nummer 6. Sie blank einmal pro Woche eine halbe Stunde schwimmen. You dash swim once in a week. Einmal pro Woche is once in a week, half an hour. So first thing what you will do, first thing you will conjugate Zoltan and write here, then you match with it. But you have one more exercise here. That deine Freundin, Aufgabe 7, that deine Freundin und dein Friend hat Probleme mit dem Lehrer. Your friend has problems with the teacher. So welche Ratschläge würdest du ihr or ihm geben? Schreib 3 Sätze mit sollte. So you need to write, you are going to give suggestion to your friend who has problems with teacher. For that you will write 3 suggestions, and those suggestions should be in the Zoltan form. So first you solve these two and then we will discuss the same. Jetzt auf Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 40, Aufgabe 8a. Eine halbformelle E-Mail schreiben. To write half formal means semi-formal email. List sues the situation. First understand the situation. Read it. Situation is, du magst eine Klassenfahrt. You are going for a class trip und kannst deshalb nicht zum Klavierunterricht gehen. And therefore you cannot go to the piano class. Du schreibst eine E-Mail an deine Klavierlehrerin, Frau Schäffler. You have to write email to your Klavier teacher, piano teacher, Frau Schäffler. So how it will, first we will discuss how they have given you few hints. Like for example, the unreader address. What will be suitable? Liebe Frau Schäffler, hello Brita, hi Frau Schäffler. So naturally it is semi-formal. We can't say hello, hi. So you will choose Liebe Frau Schäffler. Then the starting will be how Einleitung means introduction. Wie kannst du anfangen? How you will start it. Ich interessiere mich sehr für. I'm interested. Leider kann ich, unfortunately I can. Ihren Vorschlag finde ich sehr gut. I find your suggestion very good. So what do you think, which one will be appropriate? Naturally the second one. Leider kann ich zum Klavierunterricht nicht kommen. Or something like that. Then the most important point is greetings at the end. After the introduction, you will write your content and then it will come greeting. So what do you think? Which greetings will pass? Grüß, that means greeting. Viele Grüße, lots of greetings. Auf Wiedersehen, see you again. So being a formal, semi-formal letter, viele Grüße will be the appropriate one. Then the even. Schreib dann eine E-Mail an deine Lehrerin Frau Schäffler in dein Heft. You write an email to your teacher Mrs. Scheffler in your notebook. Instead of notebook, I am going to create one assignment in which you will write this email and I will check your email, and this will be your evaluate, means assessed assignment. I am going to give you marks for the same and those marks will be considered. So what your content is expected in that email? Entschuldige dich höflich. Say sorry politely. Then you tell warum du nicht kommen kannst, why you cannot come. Wann du wieder da bist, and when you will be again there. I hope the format is clear to you. I will schedule the assignment. You put your email writing in that assignment. I hope it is clear to you. So, Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 40, Aufgabe 9. Was bedeuten die Symbole? What is the meaning of these symbols given here? Lies die Sätze 1 bis 6 und ordne zu. Read the sentences 1 to 6 and match it. First I will explain you the meanings, then you match it. Nummer 1. Das ist kein Trinkwasser. Trinkwasser is drinking water. This is not a drinking water. Nummer 2. Here muss man leise sein. Leise sein means you have to speak softly. One must speak softly, quietly. Nummer 3. Hier ist es nicht erlaubt, ein Handy zu benutzen. Here it is not allowed to use mobile. Benutzen is to use and erlaubt means allowed. Nummer 4. Here is the toilet. Here is the toilet. Nummer 5. Hier darf man nicht rauchen. Dürfen plus nicht is always something is not allowed. Here you are not allowed to smoke. Nummer 6. Hier kann man im Internet surfen. Here one can surf on internet. So now you try to match the picture with the sentence and we will check the answers. Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 41, Aufgabe 10. Was passt? Schreibe die Wörter mit unbestimmten Artikel. Write the words with indefinite article. Remember that you have to write indefinite article. I will tell first meanings. Tag, day. Year, Jahr is year. Stunde, hour. Jahrhundert, century. Monat, month. Woche, week. I will tell the article also. Tag is masculine. Jahr is neutral. Definite, indefinite article for masculine neutral is ein only, no change. Stunde is feminine. Jahrhundert is also masculine. Then it is Monat is masculine. Woche is feminine. Now the meanings of the 1 to 6 numbers. Nummer 1, 60 Minuten, 60 minutes. Nummer 2, 24 Stunden, 24 hours. Nummer 3, 7 Tage, 7 days. Nummer 4, 4 Wochen, 4 weeks. Nummer 5, 12 Monate, 12 months. Nummer 6, 100 Jahre, 100 years. Now you have to just put the correct word with correct indefinite article. I will explain 11th also. Erfindungen means invention. Wann war es? When it was. Ergänze das Jahrhundert wie im Beispiel. Fill up the century, means in which century, as in example. Bücher im 15. Jahrhundert, as it is 140, that's why 15th century. Second one is 1886, so naturally its answer is im 19. Jahrhundert. Similarly, you are supposed to write for Zahnpasta. Okay, by the way, Zahnpasta meaning is toothpaste. Currywurst is the name of the dish. Jeans is jeans. and beer is beer. So you need to write in which century it has been found. You write the answer, then we will check the answers of the same. Auf der selben Seite, Seite Nummer 41. First we'll read that box because it is with reference to Aufgabe 11. Du schreibst. Whenever you write im 15. Jahrhundert. But whenever you speak, you always say im 15. Jahrhundert. This 15 is the cardinal number, like 15th. If it is 16th, you will say 16. If 17, you will say 17. So these are the way to write and to speak. This is what is explained through that box. Now we will come to our exercise Aufgabe 12. Was bedeuten diese Adjektive? What is the meaning of these adjectives? Ergänze. Ergänze is fill up. Lustlos means there is no mood. Lust is mood. Moodless. Kraftlos, powerless, energyless. Arbeitslos, unemployed. So I will tell you just the meaning of the sentences. You have to choose which word will come where. Ich habe leider keine Arbeit. Unfortunately, I have no work. Ich bin seit einem Monat. Since 1 month, I am dash. Nummer 2. Ich habe keine Kraft mehr. I have no energy anymore. Ich fühle mich so blank. I am feeling myself so. Nummer 3. Dazu habe ich überhaupt keine Lust. I don't have any mood at all. Ich bin richtig blank. I am absolutely blank. So I know that it is very simple. You must have got the answer. You write the answers. We will discuss the answers. Auf derselben Seite, Seite Nummer 41, Aufgabe 13. Was passt zusammen? What matches together? Verbinde und unterstreiche das passende Verb. Here there are two tasks. You have to choose the correct option also, as well as you have to combine also the sentences. So I will explain you the meanings, then you solve this exercise. First I will explain you the left hand side. Nummer 1. Glaubst du wirklich, dass Menschen schlechter Schlagzeug spielen als Jungen? Do you really think that Schlagzeug is like instruments, like drum or something like that instruments? So do you really think that girls play bad instrument or worse instrument than boys? Nummer 2. Habt ihr am Wochenende schon etwas vor? Are you planning something on weekend? Vorhaben is to plan. It is a separable verb. Nummer 3. Was meinst du? Wie alt ist unsere Mathelehrerin? What do you think? How old is our maths teacher? Nummer 4. Was ist? Warum fährst du nicht los? What is? Why you are not traveling? Nummer 5. Und wie war es gestern auf dem Schulfest? And how it was yesterday on the school festival. Now I will explain you right hand side. Nummer A. Keine Ahnung. No idea. Sie sieht jung aus. She looks young. Aber ich kann ihr Alter schlecht schätzen oder meinen. Alter means age. Bad, schlecht is bad. I can badly dash her age. Schätzen bedeutet to estimate, meinen bedeutet to think. Nummer B. Ja, das glaube ich. Yes, I think so. Aber du kannst mir ja das Gegenteil beweisen oder bewundern. Gegenteil is opposite. Beweisen is to prove and bewundern means to wonder or to surprise. Nummer C. Super, wir haben getanzt und ich habe mich lange mit Sabine und Tom verstanden oder unterhalten. Super, we danced and I have dashed for a long time with Sabine and Tom. Verstanden is understood. Unterhalten is to chat. D. Warte bitte. Wait a minute. Es ist ziemlich kalt. It is actually cold. Quite cold. Ich muss noch meine Jacke anziehen. I must wear my jacket. Bevor ich aufs Fahrrad stelle oder steige. Before I get means before I dash on bicycle. Stelle is keep and steige is climb. Nummer A. Ja, wir machen einen Ausflug nach Burghausen. Yes, we are going for a picnic to Burghausen. Da kann man die längste Burg der Welt beweisen oder bewundern. There one can dash the longest castle of the world. Beweisen is to prove, bewundern is to wonder. Die ist wunderschön. It is wonderful. Okay. So I hope the exercise is clear to you. You have to choose the correct word and you have to match the pair also. So first you solve the exercise, then we will discuss the answers of the same. Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 42. Nächste Seite. Aufgabe 14. Was ist richtig? Unterstreiche. What is correct? You need to underline the correct word. Nummer 1. Meine Eltern waren lange dagegen. My parents were against that for a long time. Aber zuerst oder schließlich dürfte ich doch auf die Party gehen. Zuerst is at first, schließlich means finally. I was allowed to go to the party. Nummer 2. Ich kann total gut Vokabeln lernen. I can learn vocabulary very good. Und gleichzeitig oder wahrscheinlich Musik hören. Gleichzeitig at the same time, wahrscheinlich, probably, hear music. Das stört mich überhaupt nicht. That doesn't disturb me at all. Nummer 3. Der Film war langweilig. The film was boring. Und deshalb oder außerdem haben die Schauspieler schlecht gespielt. Deshalb means therefore, außerdem means besides, the actors were acted very bad. So now you have to decide the correct word according to the meaning. You write it first, then we will discuss.